feeding.
No, here, have this one. This one's actually made better.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you shaking?
Well, my arms are because of my.
You don't seize your arm like that.
No.
You tell me.
Nope.
At all anymore? At all?
Nope.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, I'm trying not to be shaking. It's my arms.
It's 11:40. It is only 11:45. Can you stay for a while?
Yeah, I will, of course.
Over
Someone's mine.
Really?
Allergies do that. It makes it nasty.
It feels like someone knocks Christine.
I know. That's how my nose feels right now, too. It's just pollen up there.
And I thought you wanted to get bad out.
No, not at all.
No. Thanks. The reason why I couldn't do it is it because it wasn't made right.
I know.
And it goes burn.
I'm going to get a new roller.
A what?
I got to get a new rolling machine.
You do?
Yeah, I had to do that sometime.
How come?
Because that one's all worn out.
Yeah, it is. I guess. Oh, but Dad.
Oh, this light.
Shut
The sun. Could be.
Yeah. A happy birthday.
Yeah.
That's my husband's son. Who just slapped you?
No, it's my arms.
Oh,
cracked.
I didn't know.
Back.
How's your back?
Good. Sore a little bit, but good.